I'm Katin Khatib from 7C, and today I'm going to be talking about the 3 sustainable clocks I analyzed. The first clock's aesthetic is incredibly appealing to me because I really liked how the black and white, even though it was basic, it still stood out, and I really liked how the center of the record player was white, and I really liked the design of it and the figurines at the top. The size I want this clock to be is 300 millimeters because with a big surface I'll be able to add more eco-friendly features, and also half of the clock would be broken because of the figurines on the top, so I would definitely have to make it 300 millimeters or bigger. This clock was not used by eco-friendly materials, although if I was to make it, I would use bamboo because it is an eco-friendly material, and recycled metal. Lastly, the cost of this clock would be the most expensive because it uses a lot of materials. It's 300 millimeters, and it still comes with the battery. It still comes with the battery mechanism, which is not too expensive, but it's still costly. Next, I'll be talking about the second clock. The second clock is very different than the first clock I showed because it has a pop of color in the middle and the numbers are very bold and easy to read. I really liked how it was vibrant, the design matched the music store, and it was very on theme. The size of this clock would be 300 millimeters, so I can have enough space to draw the outline on the background. And it definitely used many eco-friendly materials like cork and bamboo and recycled wood. This clock was probably one of the least expensive ones because it doesn't have too much like add-ons, and it doesn't use too much material. It is also 300 millimeters, and it has a battery mechanism, but battery mechanisms are not too expensive. Finally, I will be talking about the last clock. This clock is very different than the other 2 clocks because of the guitar design, and it's not shaped like the other clocks. It matches the theme of a music store very well, although if I could change something, I would definitely change the color of it because I feel like it was too bland and too basic. The size of this clock would be 300 millimeters plus additional materials due to the designs on the sides and the cutouts. This clock was created by eco-friendly materials like bamboo, cork, and recycled wood. These are all eco-friendly, sustainable materials. This would definitely be the least costly because it doesn't use too much material, and it has the battery mechanism, which is not too expensive.